Good day everyone, I am Nicole Bornea of PSIT2B and I am here to explain our activity, modeling animal hierarchy in Kotlin. So first, we will define a base class called animal, and we use the open keyword to indicate that this class can be inherited by other class. And we put our primary constructor with two parameters, name and species, which are stored as properties. Then we put open fun make sound. So this is a method that can be overridden by subclasses. And we put a generic message, which is this animal makes sound. And then fun display info. This method prints animals name and species. It is not open, so it cannot be overridden. Next step, we will define a class which we will call it cat that inherits from animal. Then the constructor here will take three parameters, the name, species, and breed. Name, string. String. The cat calls the animal constructor using this animal name, species, animal name is species. Now we will override fun make sound to print the sound of a cat. Next will be our class dog. It's similar to our class cat, so we will just copy it and edit. Dog. Finally, we will define a Shamis class that inherits from cat. This class overrides the make sound method to provide specific implementation for Shamis. We will again copy and edit so that we can not take so much time. Let's put this as Shamis, and then cat. We will remove this. Then we'll add the bread here. And change this to her. Now we will write the main function to create the instances of cat, dog, and chamise and demonstrate their behavior by calling the make sound and display info method. We will copy that and edit. Change it to dog. We'll call it Max. Change it to Canin. And the breed will be German. Shepherd. Shepherd. Then dog. Chamise. Siamese. Her name will be Hershey. 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 Species feline. Breed Siamese. And then we will call its methods. Call its method here. The main function dito is it demonstrate polymorphism by creating instances sa mga classes and calling their methods. So now we will run this code and this will be our output.